Hi, this is Jackson from Prefer Builders. Enjoy my channel. Hey everyone, today I'm here to show you the full transformation of this beautiful house in Lancaster, Massachusetts. Let's take a quick look at how the house looked before the renovation. The living room and bedrooms had old carpet, the walls had dark, outdated wood paneling, the bathrooms had old fixtures and toilets. The kitchen was worn out, broken cabinets, old laminate countertops, and the basement was the same old wood walls, no finish. Everything was really outdated. Here's a bit of the process. You can see our team working hard, covering the walls, doing repairs, and painting everything with care. Now take a look at the final result. We installed new vinyl floors throughout the house. The walls were repaired and painted with new trims and doors. Ceilings were fixed, and we added new lighting and vent covers. The kitchen is completely redone. Granite countertops, new sink, faucets, modern appliances, brand new cabinets, handles. The bathroom is also fully remodeled, new mirror, sink, toilet, tub paint, and updated fixtures. In the bedrooms, we updated the closets, changed the outlets and lights, added vinyl flooring and baseboards. Everything is brand new. The basement got new carpet and finished walls, no more wood paneling. We closed off the utility area, rebuilt the stairs with a new handrail and side paneling using perforated wood sheets. We also installed a brand new fire protection system, and yes, we replaced the entire roof, added bathroom and kitchen ventilation, and painted the whole exterior. It's truly a beautiful home now, like a brand new house. So what do you think about this renovation? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoy this kind of content, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.